Hey, this is Comfort. Welcome to my kitchen flavors. Today I am so delighted to show you the best way to cook dried beans. Cooking up a big batch at a time not only saves up on gas and whatnot, but it also saves you time when planning any one of the infinite number of pulse dishes that exists out there. So keep watching. So today I am cooking haricot beans, the small white ones which my mom sent me from her garden a while back. Any kind of beans can be cooked this way, from pinto, cannellini, kidney and black beans to bolotti and chickpeas. The first thing I do is to thoroughly wash the beans. This is just to remove any dirt and impurities, and I usually do this in several changes of water until the water is clear. Now I'm just transferring the cleaned beans to a large container and covering them with plenty of water to soak. It's really important that the container is large because as the beans hydrate, they will expand, and I just want to give them enough room to do that. There will always be beans floating to the top of the water. I always remove and discard them, as well as anything that doesn't look like a bean. Okay, so typically beans should soak for about 6 hours or overnight, but I usually go for all of 24 hours. This I think helps to remove that chemical in the beans that causes some people to unleash those stinky nakus and dungus for us. Also, during those 24 hours, I change the water every 8 hours or so because it does get quite stinky. So this is 24 hours later, and I'm just transferring my soaked beans to a large saucepan and adding double the volume of clean fresh water to the beans. I think I lost the clip that shows me first cooking the beans rapidly for 10 minutes, and this is essential to remove any harmful toxins. After this, I drained and rinsed and cooked my beans in fresh water for 90 minutes. Keep in mind that some pulses take shorter or longer to cook than 90 minutes. Okay, my beans are looking really good now. I'm going to be showing you what dried haricot beans should look like and feel like once they are fully cooked. As you can see, they retained their shape and the fork met just a little resistance when pressed against the bean, which is perfect. Next, I'm going to be seasoning my beans with just salt and bay leaves. Now I'm going to stir them up, as you can see, and then I'm going to let the beans sit in the seasoned water for about 45 minutes. At that point, they're ready to be used to make lovely stews, soups, curries, bakes, and added to whatever you are cooking for a protein boost. But because I want to freeze my beans, I'm just going to drain and cool them completely before transferring them to bags and freezing them in batches. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new or were reminded of something you already knew. Until my next video, God bless and increase you. Bye.